Today is Sunday, 23rd of July, 6:49 in the morning, so the market's closed. And as usual, we're looking at the November 2017 UK wheat chart. We have that chart in front of us. We can see here that we've got a sort of pinhead candle here forming. 148.55 was close, but we've still got a strong margin above the 60 SMA monthly, which comes in at 144.02. We can cast our eye over and clearly see this trend is still in place. We've broken above the 5-year moving average, which is bullish. If you look back, the last time we saw this coming from under a market was back in 2003, 2004, and eventually end of 2005 when we broke through and went all the way up. So let's pop down into the monthly chart. We can see here that we had this stellar candle here last month. We are at the moment testing the monthly highs, which came in at 149. 48.55 was the close. We can go down into the weekly chart. We can see we've had a nice higher highs and higher lows. We can see here that the market ran up in June. Moving average 60 weekly moving average pointing up. Market previous week fell back. Last week small candle making time, so moving sideways and closed 148.55. Pop down to all important daily. We can cast our eye over here and see that same as on the weekly, we've got the highs coming in. We can see here we identified these two gaps here. One just under our not a magic number, the number we were looking for, 152 level. Market gap down through it, but all we've done is come down to gap fill this gap that we moved when prices got sort of revved up away from themselves at 149, so 148. So we gap fill there. We had two green candles here, which is Thursday and Friday, positive days. We've got the 60 SMA down here at 144, so that sort of equates to value. So yes, we probably did get a bit of overextended. We went a bit parabolic on the, if you look at that, how the prices went up. This is the kind of pattern we've been looking at the last 3 months, where we've had a high, then a reversal, going to another high, reversal, high, reversal. I'll just mark those highs on the chart here. This follows nicely with the stochastic chart at the bottom here. You can see here I've identified these round circles here. What we're looking at the moment is a pullback within an uptrend. If you are sort of looking to sell physical grain, you'd be using this chart to sell when you saw the stochastic at the high levels. So that would be your sort of sell indicator. At the moment, you wouldn't be looking to sell not with a rising trend and with a pullback in place. You'd be looking for the market to go back up and test this gap around the 152 level, and then obviously if a gap fills there, we'd be looking at our top target, which is 164. So at the moment, trend is still in place. We've just got a pullback at the present moment, and I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.